What began as a confrontation between rival inmate gangs inside a Sri Lankan prison compound quickly escalated into a full scale battle involving prison guards and security forces. Now, 25 people are dead. 7 prison officers are among the victims, and more than 100 are injured. The army had to be deployed. Inmates reportedly attempted to escape, and by the time order was restored, the prison had become the scene of a major tragedy. So, what exactly happened inside Negombo prison, just outside of Sri Lanka's capital city of Colombo? And why are experts saying this was years in the making? According to officials, the first confrontation started between two rival inmate groups linked to the illegal drug trade. At first, it seemed like another gang fight behind bars. But when prison officers stepped in to separate the groups, the situation exploded. But the deeper problem goes far beyond one gang fight. Sri Lanka's prisons are operating under extreme pressure. The country's prison system was designed to hold around 10,000 inmates. Today, it houses more than 39,000. That's almost 4 times its intended capacity. In conditions like these, overcrowding creates constant tension. And when rival criminal groups are forced to live together in such conditions, even a small dispute can rapidly spiral out of control. Experts have long warned that overcrowding doesn't just create humanitarian problems, it also creates major security risks. This isn't the first time Sri Lanka has witnessed deadly prison violence. The country has experienced several major prison riots over the past 2 decades. Justice Minister Harshana Nanayakara later said that inmates believed to have led the violence were transferred to two separate prisons after order was restored. Multiple investigations are now underway to determine exactly how the clash escalated so quickly and whether security failures contributed to the bloodshed.